My name is Maritza, and yesterday was week 3 after my nasal valve repair. I also got a rhinoplasty. The reason that I met Dr. Meta, or I was looking for a plastic surgeon, in December of 2021, I was assaulted, and that caused me the nasal valve collapse and also like the deviated septum. But my problem was that how the impact of the hit was still like my bone shattered, so I needed to fix that because I wasn't able to breathe through my left nostril. I had went to an ENT trying to fix that problem, and it was still collapsed, my valve, and then also I still noticed that my nose was like pretty crooked, like leaning more to the right. And Dr. Meta was really nice. I told him my story, and then within like 2 days he made an appointment with me, even though he was really busy. And I came here, and then he was able to push like my nasal bones back to be in place, or at least like in the middle of my face. But my problem was that how the impact of the hit was still like my bone shattered, so I needed to fix that because I wasn't able to breathe through my left nostril. And so I talked to Dr. Meta to get that fixed. Also getting all the bones pushed back. I had like a nasal hump, which I didn't like because I didn't have that before. Like, I've always had a long nose, but I didn't mind it until that point. I feel like I thought the recovery was going to take longer. And yes, I feel like it's been a great recovery. I was bruised like the first few days, couple of days, but that was normal. The bruising went down by day 5, like my bruising was gone.
Hi everyone, today is day 6 post-op. Today I got my stents taken out and my splint taken out today. I still have a little bit of tape around just to keep everything together.
Just very surprised I didn't really get a scar. It's been 3 weeks out, and even since when I got my cast taken off, I couldn't see. That was like one of my main concerns, having like the scar under it. And I mean, you could see it, but not really. Yeah. And it's like my skin color, so I'm really like glad that was good. It feels great. I'm finally starting to see like my face again. It's brought up my confidence, and then honestly, like, I'm just so grateful for Dr. Meta, and I'm grateful that he's bringing my confidence back, my breathing back. Like I said, it's been 3 weeks out, and I'm able to breathe better.